Disclaimer, this video is probably not for you. But if you run a business and you want more of the right clients finding you, stay with me, because many businesses have the same question. Where is my next client coming from? The truth is that there is a potential client in your city right now looking for exactly what you do. They're not calling referrals. They're not asking colleagues. They're on YouTube, watching someone else explain the problem they have, deciding whether that person understands their situation well enough to trust with their business. That someone is probably not you. Not yet. But Claude Cowork and YouTube used together can put you in that seat. Most people like you who are good at what they do have the same problem. Those who need you most have no idea you exist. In a moment, you'll see that problem get solved in real time. But let me start with the problem first. And everything you're about to see, you can do too. Here is why that matters. Research shows that people need about 2 hours of exposure to someone before they trust them enough to do business. YouTube is the only platform that delivers those 2 hours naturally to exactly the people already interested in what you do. Right now, potential clients are building relationships with someone else. Not because that person is more qualified, but because they showed up where those clients are already spending their time. And it works because it runs like a sales funnel your clients move through. By the time they reach out, they already know you, like how you think, and trust you enough to have a conversation. Cold outreach can't do that. YouTube can. After all, you're here right now. The objection I hear most is often time. Running a YouTube channel sounds like a second job on top of everything else. What I want to show you is that Claude can carry most of that operational weight. After 20 years of teaching and building a YouTube channel to 16,000 subscribers in under 4 months, I've realized that YouTube is already built as a sales funnel. Most businesses are not using it because they don't have time to run it. Claude Cowork solves that. But the thinking, delivery, and point of view still remain yours. What you're about to watch is not something I built for this video. Actually, it's been running this channel and my business for the past several months. In this video, you'll see 3 stages: context, strategy, and content. Each one builds on the last. This is the workspace. Think of it as the briefing room where Claude and I work together. Everything lives here. But there is one document in this folder that Claude reads before it answers anything. And this is arguably the most important file. It's called the claude.md file, and it's where step 1 begins. This file is the reason everything else works. Before Claude answers a single question in this workspace, it reads this. It knows who I am, who my audience is, what I'm trying to build, and how I think about this channel. It knows my goals. It knows my voice. It knows what good looks like for this channel. Without this file, Claude is just guessing. With it, Claude knows. And that difference shows up in every single output. You can build this right now. Simply open Claude Cowork, start a new session, and type this. I want to create a claude.md file for my business. Can you interview me and then build it? Claude will ask you the questions, you answer them. By the end of that conversation, you have a file that makes every session after it smarter. That is your starting point. And over time, the system builds on top of that foundation. And this is the channel learnings file. every video writes back into this file. For your business, that might be a sales call that changed how you explain what you do, or a client result that belongs in every pitch you make. The system gets smarter as the channel grows. The more you use it, the sharper it gets. This is the video idea bank. No more wondering what video to make next. That is context. Now, watch what happens when you give Claude a goal. I also built a YouTube strategist agent inside Claude Cowork. This agent already has the context file, the channel learnings, and the full video history. I'm going to tell it one goal and ask it to produce a channel strategy and 4 opening videos. Watch what happens. This is a critical element of YouTube marketing. 4 videos designed to work together, each one building on the last, moving a viewer from first impression to genuine interest, generated from this channel's context and history. Imagine what those 4 videos would be for your business. Next, I'm going to take one of those 4 video ideas and turn it into a complete script. Watch the topic go in and the script come out. In under 3 minutes, a script is ready to review before filming. And that word review really matters. This is your starting point, not your final draft. You take it, edit it, and make it yours. You edit it to fit you and your voice. Context, strategy, content. That is the system. But before I show you the last piece, if you found this video helpful, please give it a like or leave a comment. It really does help this channel. Also, if you would like to see more content just like this, click subscribe. You can build the same thing. No marketing, no technical skills. Just a clear description of your business, your clients, and your goals. Start here. Open Claude Cowork and ask it, who is my ideal client and what are they struggling with? Ask it, what would a YouTube channel for those people look like? Ask it, what are the first 4 videos I should make? Read what it produces, push back on what doesn't fit, and refine it. The businesses that start now will have 2 years of content and an audience by the time their competitors start thinking about it. And that gap matters more today than it did a year ago. So build that trust now and you will stand out. Wait and you will compete with the noise. But before you build anything, it helps to know where you're starting from. There is a short scorecard in the description. It shows you what is already working in your favor and what needs to be in place before a system like this will work for your business. 5 minutes. Your score is in the description below. And if you're ready for more useful content just like this, click this video right here.